Hi guys, Adam from iClimate. I am in, as you can see, southwest London, Clapham. It's freezing, it's 4 degrees, but we're back with another air conditioning installation video for a lovely house we're doing. It's a 5-floor apartment for a lovely client of ours who saw a previous video that we executed in Regent's Park, and he's awarded us this job. It's 3 units being retrofitted into the top floor apartments. All pipeworks concealed. Come inside, take a look at this one. Right guys, here we are in the top floor, the highest bedroom in the property, which is generally the warmest. And what's next to me is a 2.5 kilowatt, high wall mounted Dakin stylish wall unit we've installed at this location. You might be thinking, why is it not above the TV centered? We've agreed the location so there's no air disturbance on the bed when it's occupied, because that can be very annoying. So we've got a unit here. What you're looking at here is all the cutting when the access work that our guys have carried out carefully to run our services to this unit running down below. As you can see, we're mid running cable and drainage. We've carefully cut the services. We've got specialist inspection cameras which we use when we cut into plasterboard. We run a camera in, check the cavity, run sensors in to see where metal is and where stuff is. So we carry out precision cuts in your home so we don't disturb any existing services. So if you want to come over here and have a look, I'll show you where the client has given us permission to put the outdoor unit. What you're looking at there is the outdoor terrace area. You can see the existing air conditioning units that the client had installed when the property was renovated, i.e. actually the property was built from scratch, from ground up. And now we're going to retrofit our unit next to that. Follow me downstairs guys. I want to show you how we run the services up here and the 2 rooms we're serving on the floor below. So if you have a look over there, that's directly behind the unit we just showed you. The guys have carefully cut the wall all the way along down. And as you can see, the guys are securing the services leading to the floor below. So on this floor, to my left is the nursery, which we're serving with a wall-mounted unit. And to my right is the guest bedroom, another wall-mounted unit. Come inside and have a look at where we place the unit to give yourselves an idea of how we run the services to it. Unit's located center above the TV. As you can see, another careful channel cut within the plasterboard and the MDF. Our services are run already, which the guys have carefully done across the hallway. They then divert to that corner because we have an RSJ running across here, which we found with our inspection cam. Here we're into the guest bedroom, the final wall-mounted unit located. The client wanted it centered to the storage doors. If you want to pan over there, you can see the guys have done quite a bit of cutting work in the walls. If you note, carefully missing every existing service, conduit and cables carefully. So services run down here. They're now adjoined from the services from the top floor, and our route of action is down here and then leading to outside onto the terrace. Right guys, so you're now joining us on the client's outdoor roof terrace space, which we have agreed the outdoor units are going. If you want to look down here, you'll see that the guys have lifted up the decking because I agreed with the client that there were no services to be visible. So what we're doing some quite neat stuff. We've carefully calculated and measured a core hole which ends up in the wall, which we showed you inside. Our services are going to run underneath right to that corner where our multi-condenser is going to come. Welcome back guys, Adam from iClimate. We're back in Clapham, wrapping up the aircon installation job. We're back in the top floor bedroom. The unit's been installed, as you can see, the Dakin stylish white. You can now also see the guys have put back the wall where our services were buried inside from the previous. Follow me downstairs and I'll show you how we've put this place back together. Have a look at this wall here. If you recall, there was a chase running alongside high level to low level. The guys have made good on that, filled and rubbed and painted. And now we're on the floor below, where that's the nursery and that's the guest bed. There was an RSJ running across here, so there were 2 patches. The guys have made good the patches as well. Follow me into the guest bedroom. So as you can see, if you look at the wall, it's been put back with the services buried inside. There was a massive chase running from the unit to the corner. They've made all that good. If you recall, the services ran like this, down here, and then the exit to outside underneath the decking was at this point here. So if you take a look, we've left a piece of decking up so you guys can see the services running underneath it, leading out to the new Dakin multi-condenser. So that's a wrap as far as the aircon's involved, guys. Just got to do some final Wi-Fi control for the client, but I want to show you something cool. Follow me downstairs. All right guys, before we wrap up our AC works, we thought we'd show you the centerpiece to the house, which is ironically in the basement. I've been into a lot of properties in London, but see how cool this basement is. Follow me. As you can see, we're now into the client's pool area. We've got jacuzzi. What you're hearing is the swimming pool. He's got a wave machine, steam room, shower. Lovely design, very cleverly done, and very good use of the space. Follow me outside and check the garden. Look at how cool this garden is with all the wood, the natural greenery. I mean, just take a look at the height. It's so private. You can tell where the existing floor level would have been. Very secluded, which is nice to have in London. But the main piece is this glass bespoke extension. Super cool, lovely natural light. So as you can tell guys, we work in all different types of properties in London. So if you have any air conditioning queries, feel free to get in touch, and thank you for watching.